If your Focusrite Scarlett is suddenly saying no hardware connected, not showing up, or there's just no sound at all, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest, quickest fixes that solve this issue 95% of the time. Stick with me because one of these will almost definitely bring your Scarlett back to life. Let's jump right into it. First, we start with the simple hardware checks because these alone fix the problem more often than you think. Swap out your USB-C cable with a known good cable. Scarlett interfaces are picky. One bad or cheap cable can cause random disconnects or the dreaded no hardware connected message. Next, try a different USB port on your computer. Some ports don't supply enough power or are simply faulty. And if you're on a desktop, use the ports on the back of the motherboard. If you're on a laptop, try switching sides or avoid using USB hubs. And if you're using a microphone that needs phantom power, like an SM7B with a booster or any condenser mic, make sure the 48-volt phantom power switch is turned on. No phantom power means no signal, so double check that. If the hardware looks good but your Scarlett still isn't responding, move into software troubleshooting. Uninstall the current Scarlett drivers from your system. They may be outdated or corrupted. Then head over to the Focusrite website, download the latest driver specifically for your Scarlett model, and reinstall it fresh. This alone often resets the connection and gets the interface recognized instantly. Now here's a sneaky cause most people don't expect: antivirus interference. Programs like McAfee or Mega can silently block your Scarlett from communicating with your system. Temporarily disable or uninstall your antivirus, reinstall the Scarlett driver again, and check if your interface appears. You'd be surprised how often this is the real culprit. By this point, your Scarlett should be detected, working, and producing sound again. These steps address the most common issues, from cable power problems to driver conflicts to antivirus blocking. So if you follow each one, you're almost guaranteed to fix it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which fix solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.